Following the initial hearing, the next steps for both the defendant, Duterte, and the prosecutor in the ICC trial process are as follows. For the defendant, Duterte. Preparation for the confirmation of charges hearing. Duterte's legal team will prepare for the confirmation of charges hearing scheduled for September 23, 2025. They will gather evidence, prepare witnesses, and develop legal arguments to challenge the charges. Filing motions and requests. The defense may file additional motions or requests, such as challenging the admissibility of evidence, requesting further disclosure from the prosecution, or seeking interim release on health or humanitarian grounds. Engaging in pretrial activities. The defense will participate in pretrial activities, including status conferences, where procedural matters and timelines are discussed. For the prosecutor. Preparation for the confirmation of charges hearing. The prosecution will continue to gather evidence, prepare witnesses, and develop legal arguments to support the charges against Duterte. Disclosure of evidence. The prosecution is required to disclose evidence to the defense, including any exculpatory evidence that may be favorable to the defendant. Engaging in pretrial activities. The prosecution will participate in pretrial activities, including status conferences, to ensure the case proceeds smoothly. Confirmation of charges hearing. During the confirmation of charges hearing, the pretrial chamber will determine whether there is sufficient evidence to establish substantial grounds to believe that the defendant committed the crimes charged. The chamber may confirm the charges and commit the case for trial, decline to confirm the charges, which does not prevent the prosecution from presenting a subsequent request for confirmation based on additional evidence, adjourn the hearing and request the prosecution to provide further evidence or conduct further investigation. The trial will take place in The Hague, and the accused must be present. The trial will be held in public, except when the chambers decide otherwise to protect the safety of victims and witnesses or sensitive information.